back with another video. I'm Samilla.
And I'm Allison.
And today's vlog is about chemistry behind cosmetology.
Kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need.
Okay, a little background on makeup and just cosmetology. So ancient Egypt used kohl, which is a substance containing powder galena, and they used to darken their eyelids with it. And Cleopatra said that she used milk to soften her skin and just to brighten up her complexion. And by 3000 BC, men and women in China began to just stain their fingernails based on their social class. And then Greek women used poisonous lead carbonate to have a paler complexion. And traditional African societies and Australians use a wide range of just crushed minerals and rocks. And they will use it for paint so they can do ceremonies and their initiations. The chemistry and hair coloring is our first topic. So the most common used agent or chemical to color your hair is bleach. So bleach works because of a chemical reaction between the developer, which is an oxidizing agent, and an alkalizing agent. The use of the alkalizing agent is to lift the cuticles of the hair, which lets the oxidizing agent get to the hair's millennium. Permanent hair coloring works by embedding small molecules into the hair's cortex that reacts with the hair and expands in size. These molecules are too large to wash out. Understanding the basic chemistry, you can explain this process.
The perfume industry moved out of the garden into the lab. Synthetic molecules allowed for longer lasting, more stable fragrances that can be produced in greater quantities. This opened up endless possibilities, creating art out of perfume design. This art lies in a careful combination of head, heart, and base notes which evaporate off the body at different rates. Head notes consist of small, light molecules that evaporate quickly. Heart notes are medium-sized molecules that begin to emerge after much of the head notes have evaporated. Base notes are large, heavy molecules that take the longest to evaporate, lingering onto the skin for many hours. Evaporation is a process by which molecules in a liquid phase become gaseous. The phenomenon can be controlled by the attractive forces between the molecules in the liquid known as intermolecular forces. The more tightly these molecules cling to each other, the more slowly the liquid will evaporate. Intermolecular forces are largely controlled by the mass of the molecule. Big molecules like to stick together and take longer to evaporate than smaller molecules which can't cling to each other as strongly.
Chemists formulate esters by the reaction of a carboxylic acids with alcohols in a reaction called esterification. Based on the synthetic molecules' intermolecular forces, and therefore evaporation rate, we smell different parts of the perfume at different times.
About nails. So about acrylic nails, it's formed by the reaction of a monomer liquid and a polymer powder. The monomers contained in the liquid are microscopic chemicals units which react together when mixed together in the chemical powder. So how the actual nail polish works, there's a lot of ingredients to it, which is going to be right here because I can't say them. But when applied, the solvent evaporates and it leaves a polymer, forms a film on the nail, and then that's how the color it stays on and doesn't chip off and stuff like that. So facial masks are part of cosmetics, and it deals with your skin to help soften it, brighten it,
Get rid of marks.
and it helps with pimples and all that. So some ingredients in facial masks are honey, and the formula for honey is, and there's also lemon, and the formula for that, and then oats, and then people also use egg whites, which looks like this, and there's also lavender oil, and then there's aloe vera, which is really good for your skin. Last but not least is the bentonite clay. So I guess this is all we have for today. Yep, just a few basic things about cosmetology and the chemistry behind it. Alright guys, so see you in the next episode. Peace out.
No, I can't fix you, won't diss you, but babe, yeah, might miss you. If you're cold and needed shelter, I'd hold you, but I'm switching, no, we're not together, but babe, I won't forget you. What I need is for you to be sure, no, for you to be sure, no, for you to be sure, no, What I need is to tell me that it's yours, no, and who you do it for, no, need you to be sure, no. Need you to be sure, need you to be sure. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
It won't go. Hi guys! So today we are going to talk about the chemistry behind cosmetology.
I need a lover to trust, tell me you want me.
Which
Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my